Today, we dive into the tale of a woman who mixes sexy self-assurance with career achievements. Hayley Herms is an American BBW and plus-size model, known for her full-figured allure, confident demeanor, and rising star status in the plus-size fashion. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Hayley, who grew up in the States, really got a kick out of being her own person from the get-go. She learned to love her curves and strutted her stuff with confidence, even when the world wasn't always kind to plus-size beauty. That self-assurance was the bedrock. Hayley first made a name for herself with her self-titled Instagram account, where she started posting glamorous modeling photos, stylish outfits, and lifestyle content. Her curvy, Barbie-inspired silhouette, confident poses, and magnetic presence drew in thousands. Hayley, at about 5'4", is a full-figured plus-size model with a voluptuous build. Her well-defined waist, generous hips, and striking features make her a standout in the BBW modeling world. She chooses outfits that accentuate. Hayley took her TikTok game to the next level, sharing videos that celebrate body positivity, self-love, and plus-size fashion. Her genuine personality and self-assured vibe have earned her a dedicated and varied fan base across different social media platforms. Hayley Herms has worked with a bunch of fashion and beauty brands that are all about embracing different body types. Her modeling shows just how crucial it is to have curvy figures in the spotlight, proving that plus-size models are key players in today's fashion scene. Hayley isn't just a model. She's also an entrepreneur and mentor. She's the brains and boss behind a platform that helps plus-size hopefuls in the modeling world. She's all about giving them the tools they need, like confidence boosters, and Hayley's financial success comes from her modeling gigs, brand deals, and social media partnerships. Her net worth shows off her steady work ethic, savvy marketing skills, and commitment to self-improvement. Hayley Herms isn't just a pretty face. She's a beacon of empowerment, sensuality, and self-acceptance. Her story proves that confidence is sexy, beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, and curves make a bold statement. Keep up with top curvy models for some truly inspiring biographies, glamorous fashion tales, and the most influential plus-size models from all over the globe.